We're so happy you're here!
Let's have some fun and learn together.
Ready? Let's go!
Okay, we are finally inside. That was a long line at the ticket counter, but we made it. Welcome to the aquarium, Anna. Wow, look at this place. We stepped out of the bright sunlight, and now we are in the dark.
It takes a moment for my eyes to adjust. It is very dark in here, but it is also beautiful. Everything is glowing blue. It feels like we're underwater already. Brr, it is a little cold in here, isn't it? The air conditioning is very strong. I'm glad I brought my jacket.
Aquariums have to be cold. It keeps the tanks at the right temperature. Do you hear that sound? It is a low, steady sound. That is the sound of the water pumps. They are cleaning the water every second. It sounds like white noise. It makes me feel very calm.
Me too. Okay, Ben, you have the map. What is the plan? Where are we going first?
Let me check. We are currently at the main entrance. The map says we need to walk straight ahead. We are entering the ocean tunnel. It says this is the largest tank in the building. Are you ready to walk under the water?
I am ready. Let's go.
Okay, look at the walls. They are made of thick glass. The water is on the left, the water is on the right, and the water is... Oh my goodness, Anna! Look up! Don't move. Just look up.
Gasp. Is that what I think it is? It is a shadow, a giant shadow. It is moving right over our heads. Ben, look at the size of it. It is bigger than a car.
That is a sand tiger shark. He is the king of this tank. Look at his mouth. It is slightly open. You can see his teeth. They are jagged and sharp. He looks very scary. He looks like a monster from a movie.
He is swimming so slowly. He is not swimming fast. He is gliding. He moves his tail side to side. Left, right, left, right. He looks very confident. I know the glass is thick. I know we are safe, but my heart is beating very fast. Thump, thump, thump.
That is a normal reaction. It is scary to be this close to a predator. But look, he is passing us now. Goodbye, Mr. Shark. He is disappearing into the darkness. You can breathe now, Anna.
Phew. Okay, the shark is gone. Now look at this. This is much less scary. Look to your left, Ben. Look at all the little fish. There are hundreds of them, maybe thousands.
They are so shiny. Their scales look like silver coins. Look at how they move. They turn left, all at the same time. Swish. Then they turn right, all at the same time. Swish. Do you know what this is called?
Yes, it is called a school of fish. They swim together to be safe. If they are in a big group, the shark gets confused. It is mesmerizing to watch. It looks like a cloud made of metal. I want to touch them, but I can only touch the glass. The glass feels cold and smooth.
Hey, look in the background. Behind the silver cloud, do you see that green shape? It is a sea turtle. He is swimming very differently than the fish. He uses his front legs like wings. He looks like he is flying underwater.
He looks so peaceful. This tunnel is amazing. It feels like we are scuba diving, but we are dry. I could stay in this tunnel for an hour, but I think there is more to see. Check the map, Ben. What is the next room?
The map says the next room is the Jellyfish, and it says the room is pitch black. Are you ready for the dark?
I am ready. Let's go.
Watch your step, Anna. We are leaving the tunnel now. The floor is changing. It is carpet now. And it is getting very dark. I can barely see you.
It is pitch black in here. The only light comes from the tanks. It feels different than the other room. The tunnel was loud and exciting. This room is quiet. Shh. Listen. Do you hear that music?
Yes, it is soft, ambient music. It sounds like music from outer space. Welcome to the Jellyfish Gallery. They keep the lights off for a reason. These animals bioluminesce. That means they glow in the dark.
Wow! Look at this tank, Ben. It is a tall cylinder. It goes from the floor to the ceiling. Inside, there are hundreds of white circles. They look like ghosts, or maybe like floating mushrooms. What are they?
These are called moon jellies. They are the most common type of jellyfish. Look closely at them. They are transparent. That means you can see right through them. You can see the water on the other side. They look delicate, like wet tissue paper.
They are moving, but they don't swim like fish. A fish wiggles its tail, but these guys, they pulse. Look at the top part. It is called the bell. It opens and closes. Open and close. It looks like a heartbeat. Thump, 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 thump.
It is a very efficient way to move. They are pushing the water behind them. Did you know they have no brain, and they have no bones, and no heart? They are 95% water. They are basically just living water.
That is crazy. They are so simple, but so beautiful. They never stop moving. If they stop moving, they sink to the bottom, so they must dance forever. It makes me feel sleepy just watching them. It is very hypnotic.
I know what you mean. My eyes are getting heavy. It is very relaxing. But come over here, Anna. The next tank is not white. The next tank is bright pink.
Whoa, wake up, Ben. Look at these colors. This tank is glowing neon pink and purple. These jellyfish are different. They are much bigger. And look at their tails. They are so long.
Those long strings are called tentacles. They hang down like long hair or like spaghetti. But you must be careful. Those tentacles are dangerous. They are venomous. If you touch them in the ocean, they sting you.
It feels like a burn?
Yes, it hurts a lot. The jellyfish uses the sting to catch its food. But here, behind the glass, they are safe. They look like art. The light makes them look electric. We have to take a picture. This lighting is cool.
Okay, get your phone out. Stand closer to the glass, Ben. The pink light is reflecting on your face. You look purple. Okay, smile. Click.
Let me see. We look like aliens. That is a great photo for Instagram. Okay, I am ready to leave the dark room. I want to see something brighter, and I want to touch something. Are you ready for the touch tank?
I think so, as long as I don't have to touch a jellyfish. Let's go.
Ouch! Bright light. We left the dark jellyfish room. Now we are in the main atrium. My eyes need a second to adjust. Blink, blink. It is much louder in here. There are children laughing and running. This is the interactive zone.
Look at the sign, Ben. It says touch tank. That means we can actually touch the animals. But first, we have to follow the rules. Rule number 1, roll up your sleeves. We don't want to get our clothes wet.
Okay, my sleeves are up. Rule number 2, wash your hands. We need to clean off any lotion or dirt. It keeps the animals safe. Splash, splash. The water is cool. Okay, my hands are clean. Are you nervous, Anna?
A little bit. I like looking at fish through the glass. Touching them is different. I'm afraid they might bite or that they will feel slimy. But I want to be brave. Let's go to the pool.
The pool is shallow. It only comes up to my elbow. Look at the bottom. There are rocks and sand. And right there, that orange shape. It looks like a star. It is a starfish.
It is not moving. It looks like a toy made of plastic. Go ahead, Ben. You try first. Tell me what it feels like.
Okay, I'm reaching in. Whoa, the water is freezing. It is much colder than the sink water. Okay, I'm touching it now. I'm using just 2 fingers. It feels surprising. It is very hard.
It is hard? It looks soft, like a sponge.
No, it is rock hard, and it has a texture. It feels bumpy. It feels rough like sandpaper. It is not slimy at all. Come on, Anna, try it. Just touch the leg of the starfish.
Okay, I will try. Touch. Oh, you're right. It feels like a wet stone. It is rough. That wasn't scary at all. I did it.
Okay, you mastered the starfish. Now for the final boss. Look at the other side of the tank. Do you see those shadows moving? Those are stingrays. They look like flat pancakes with long tails.
They're swimming very fast. They flap their sides like wings. They look like birds flying in the water. One is coming this way. He is very big. Ben, I don't know about this one. He has a tail.
Don't worry, the zookeepers trim their tails so they are safe. They are very friendly. They're like water puppies. Just hold your hand flat, like this. Let him come to you.
Okay, my hand is flat. Here he comes. He's swimming right under my hand. Gasp. Oh my goodness, he's so soft. He's not rough like the starfish. He feels smooth. He feels like wet velvet.
See? He likes you. He's circling back for more. Did he feel slimy?
Maybe a tiny bit slimy, like a wet mushroom, but mostly just soft. That was amazing. I feel very connected to nature right now. My hand is freezing cold, but my heart is warm.
Okay, let's go dry off. There are paper towels over there. We have one last room to visit, and I think it is the most fun room of all. Are you ready for the penguins?
Yes, let's go see the penguins.
Okay, my hands are dry. That stingray was amazing. But now I hear something. Listen, Anna. Honk, honk. It sounds like a noisy traffic jam. Or maybe a goose?
I know that sound. Come on, Ben, walk faster. It is the penguins. Oh, look at them. There are so many. They are standing on the ice. They look like they are waiting for a bus.
They are so cute. Look at their feathers. They are black on the back and white on the stomach. It looks like they're wearing little suits. They look like they are wearing tuxedos. They are very fancy birds.
Look at that one walking. He is moving very slowly. He rocks from side to side, left, right, left, right. Do you know the word for that, Ben?
Yes, he is waddling. To waddle means to walk with short steps, moving side to side. He looks very clumsy. He looks like he might fall over. His legs are so short. Be careful, little guy.
He made it to the edge of the water. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, splash. He jumped in. Now look at him go.
Wow, it is a complete transformation. On the land, he was slow and clumsy, but in the water, he is a rocket. He is streamlined. He tucks his wings in and shoots through the water. He is faster than the fish.
They are diving deep to the bottom. Then they shoot back up to the surface. Pop. They look like they are flying underwater. It looks like so much fun. I wish I could swim like that. I am a clumsy swimmer.
Me too. I swim like a rock. Hey, look at the door in the back. A person is coming out. She is wearing high rubber boots, and she is holding a silver bucket. I think it is lunchtime.
It is the zookeeper, and that bucket smells very strong. It is full of raw fish. The penguins are so excited. Look, they are running to her. They are slipping on the ice. Slide. That one is sliding on his belly. Whee!
She is throwing the fish. Toss. Good catch. The penguin caught it right in his beak. Gulp. He swallowed it whole. He didn't even chew it. He must be very hungry.
They are noisy eaters. Honk, honk, splash. It is a feeding frenzy. This is hilarious. I am laughing so hard my cheeks hurt. This was the best exhibit. They are funny, cute, and amazing swimmers.
I agree. This was a perfect day, Anna. We saw the scary shark. We saw the peaceful jellyfish. We touched the smooth stingray, and now the party penguins. But watching them eat fish is making me hungry.
Me too, but please, let's not eat fish. I made too many fish friends today. Let's go to the cafeteria. I want a burger.
Deal. But first, we have to exit through the gift shop. I need to buy a plush penguin toy. Come on. Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for coming to the aquarium with us.